Using the 7th chords is a great way to improve your improvisation. Let me show you a quick example. I will play something short using only C major scale and progression 1, 6, 4, 5. So C major, A minor, F major and G major. At first I will only use the notes from bass chords, nothing else. So C, E, G for C major, A, C, E for A minor, F, A, C for F major, and G, B, D for G major. Now I will play using one additional note for each chord. This note will change my chords to C major 7, A minor 7, F major 7 and G 7. Did you catch this new note in my playing? The 7th chords have very characteristic sound. Instead of something plain, you get something more complex. The question is how to quickly find this additional note for any bass chord you play. Let's start with C major. C major has notes C, E and G, which are the first, third and fifth step of the scale. That means that the 7th step must be somewhere here. But where? If you know a C major scale, you could put a number to each note and see that the 7th step is B. But what if you don't know the scale? Let's say I have a G flat major chord. It is also first, third and fifth step of G flat major scale. But since I don't know the scale, I don't know where exactly the 7th step is in this area. The trick is that for major chords, you need to find the note 1 semitone to the left from the root. So my root was G flat, and that means that the 7th is F. Of course, it doesn't mean you have to play F here. Now you know it is F, so you can play the chord in any inversion you like. You can even drop the root from right hand and play it with left hand. Another example, A major. The chord is here, 1 semitone to the left from A is G sharp. So now I know that I can play A major 7 like this, or like this, or any other inversion. So to play major 7th chord, you need to find the note 1 semitone to the left from a root. For minor 7th chords, it's very similar. Here you have 2 semitones to the left from root. So for example, C minor chord. 2 semitones to the left from root is B flat. So this is your C minor 7th chord. There is one more chord that applies very nicely to this rule. The dominant 7th chord, for example G7. To build G7, you can start by finding the standard G major chord, and then use the rule for finding minor 7th chord. So 2 semitones to the left from root we have F. And this is G7 chord. I hope those quick tips will help you improve your own improvisation. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. See you next time.